Understanding public transit, your guide to city transportation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very useful phrase, public transit. Whether you're traveling, living in a big city, or just curious, understanding this term is incredibly helpful. Let's dive in. Public transit, also known as public transportation, refers to shared passenger transport services that are available for use by the general public. This includes various modes of transport like buses, trains, subways, and trams. Unlike private transportation, public transit runs on fixed routes and schedules. 1. Buses. These are road vehicles designed to carry many passengers. Buses have designated stops and operate on a schedule. 2. Trains and subways. Trains run on tracks and can travel long distances, while subways are underground train systems mainly found in big cities. 3. Trams and streetcars. Trams, or streetcars, run on tracks like trains but are usually found in urban areas and have more frequent stops. Using public transit has several advantages. Eco-friendly. It reduces pollution and traffic congestion. Cost-effective. Generally cheaper than owning and maintaining a private vehicle. Convenient. In many cities, it's a quick and reliable way to get around. To use public transit effectively, you should know the schedule, check the times that the transit operates, plan your route, understand which lines or routes to take to reach your destination. Be aware of the fare. Know the cost and how to pay, like using a ticket, card, or app. It's important to follow certain etiquettes while using public transit. Queue properly. Always line up and wait your turn to board. Offer seats. Give up your seat to the elderly, pregnant women, or those with disabilities. Keep it clean, don't litter, and keep the space tidy for others. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what public transit is and how it works. Remember, navigating public transportation can be easy and efficient once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.